Here we are going to take one vector called r vector is equals to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. Here x, y, z are called as scalars. Now the magnitude of r is calculated by taking root over the square of x plus square of y plus square of z. Now for this one we will take one vector called a vector, and the magnitude of a vector can be written as magnitude of a, which you can able to see on the screen. Now we will take the second example, that is 2i cap plus 3j cap minus 6k cap. Now how to calculate the magnitude of this one? Magnitude we'll assume it as square root of 2 square plus 3 square plus minus 6 whole square, that is equals to 4 plus 9 plus 36, that is equals to root 49 is equals to 7. Right. Similarly, we'll take one more example. Third example. Let me take it as b vector is equals to I cap plus j cap plus k cap. While the magnitude of b is equals to the root over I coefficient is 1 square plus j coefficient is again 1 square it, and k coefficient is 1 and 1 square. So that is nothing but root 3. So the magnitude of I plus j plus k is equals to root 3. Let me take the next one, that is known as let c vector is equals to I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap. Now the magnitude of c is equals to square root of 1 square plus 2 square plus 2 square. That makes 1 plus 4 plus 4, that is equals to root 9, it is equals to 3. Therefore the magnitude of I cap plus 2j cap plus 2k cap is equals to 3. So by seeing these examples, how to say the magnitude of a particular vector, say r vector is equal to xi cap plus yj cap plus zk cap. In a generalized way, we can calculate the magnitude of that vector r is equals to the root over the square of the component of I plus square of the component of j plus square of the component of k.